Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of data analysis with Excel pivot tables. If you have ever wondered how to answer important questions about a company's demographics and workforce, you're in the right place. Our first question is all about gender diversity in your organization. To find out how many males and females have been hired, we will use the power of Excel pivot tables. Here's how you can use pivot tables to get the answer. First, open your data in Excel, then navigate to the pivot table wizard. Select gender as the filter and count the records. You have your answer. To find the average salary, select the salary column and choose the average function in pivot tables. It's that simple. Keep watching to learn more. Moving on to departmental proportions, knowing how many people work in each department is vital for resource allocation and management. Let's find out how to do it using Excel pivot tables. Select the department column and use pivot tables to count the records. You will quickly see the proportion of employees in each department. Stay tuned for more insights. Last but not least, we'll explore the distribution of positions across different tiers within your organization. It's a critical aspect of workforce planning. Using Excel pivot tables, we can group positions by tiers and see how many employees fall into each category. And there you have it, folks. Excel pivot tables have answered some of our pressing questions about your company's demographics and workforce. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more data driven content. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore even more data analysis magic. Until then, keep crushing those numbers and we will see you in the next one.